Today on Lake Math, we're looking at creative ways to turn our leftover school lunch into gourmet, delicious food.
And then we have Jaden to the side.
Now,
You're gonna try it.
Chef Luis, can you explain to us
how it tastes.
some of your inspiration behind this meal?
Well, I went to prison a few times.
No, Jaden,
I don't know.
you can't do this. You're on camera.
Tyrone taught me how to cook this in there. he taught me a lot of stuff.
This
Like
looks
in the
more
shower
like
or
Tyrone had stomach problems and threw up
Tyrone
in your
had
plate.
diabetes.
Hey, Jaden said he wants to try it. Oh, Jaden?
Jaden, give me some peaches now.
Give him some love.
Oh yeah,
Can't
this
forget
totally
the
needs peaches. That's gonna make it so much better.
Oh, let me get a chip.
Yeah, hey, you gotta dip it.
No, nigga, don't dip it. Let me get it.
There you go.
Hey, you gave him some cooling.
You gotta get that crunchy in there.
Oh yeah, we got the fruitiness, we got the crunchiness,
Cold grain.
we got the brown sludginess.
Salt base.
Damn, fuck. You got those
Bam!
It's delicious.
Get the
Healthy.
Hey, you need the veggies. You get the
Oh yeah,
Get the
Eat the
yeah.
veggies. It's a
I'm
little
not grabbing
bit
the chicken.
of everything.
Is that cheese I see? Look at this.
Oh yeah, we need some
Can't
cheese.
Never.
Oh now
Now we're talking.
we have proper gourmet
We've got
food.
that homemade dish.
Luis, you need pink salt.
Oh yeah.
Oh, pink salt. Yo, we need some pink salt now.
The health benefits.
Yeah, we need some pink salt. Oh yeah.
Add a little spice.
There you
There we
go.
Where
go.
did you get this pink ass salt from?
It says on the side,
done.
it's from the HEB
good.
Need a condom. Oh my god.
condiment.
Keep it PG.
Now who's
Is
willing
the
to
cheese
try it?
melted?
Wait.
Alfred, you come do it.
Oh yes, a proper garnish.
There you go.
There we go. All right, delicious.
Oh, you lucky I only got $10. Hey, yo, we almost got some money because you finna try it. I'm finna try it for $5.
Alfred, you gotta eat that.
Out on $1.
Just one.
Out on $1.